Once in a modest village, there resided a young lad by the name of Haruki. Known for his indolence and lack of ambition, he had a habit of squandering time and procrastinating on crucial tasks. Despite the persistent counsel from family and friends to value time, Haruki remained oblivious to its significance. One sunny day, a venerable Zen master, renowned for his wisdom and problem-solving prowess, arrived in the village. Word spread swiftly, and soon Haruki caught wind of Zen master's presence. Intrigued, he decided to seek the elderly man's guidance. Approaching Zen master, who sat beneath a grand banyan tree, Haruki respectfully bowed and asked, "Sir, I've heard of your great wisdom. Can you guide me on how to make the most of my life?" Zen master smiled, acknowledging the young man's struggle. He took out an hourglass from his bag and handed it to Haruki, stating, "This hourglass symbolizes time. Each grain of sand represents a precious moment of your life." Feeling the weight of its significance in his hands, Haruki listened intently as Zen master continued, "Imagine that each falling grain is a wasted opportunity. Every time you procrastinate or waste time, a grain slips away forever. Time is a precious gift, my boy, it waits for no one. Every second that passes is a second you cannot retrieve. If you keep squandering it, you will wake up one day filled with regret." Intrigued, Haruki asked, "But how can I change? How can I value time and make the most of it?" Zen master smiled warmly and replied, "It begins with small steps. Start by setting goals and prioritizing your tasks. Break them down into manageable parts and focus on completing them one by one. Learn to manage your time effectively. Remember, success comes to those who understand the value of time." Taking the old man's advice to heart, Haruki decided to change his ways. He organized his daily routine, set specific time frames for different activities, eliminated distractions, and focused solely on the task at hand. Over time, the positive shift in his life became apparent. Haruki accomplished tasks he had been putting off for years, pursued his passions, and discovered hidden talents. The villagers marveled at the transformation witnessed in Haruki. Over the years, he grew old, and the village honored him for his remarkable achievements and wise use of time. Haruki shared his journey with the younger generation, urging them to cherish every passing moment and make the most of their lives. Haruki's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless individuals to re-evaluate their relationship with time. People began to understand that time was not just a commodity but a precious gift that needed to be treasured. The village thrived under the wisdom of Zen master and the transformed life of Haruki, serving as a constant reminder of the importance of time and its power to shape destinies. If you found this story inspiring, then hit the subscribe button, give us a like, share the story with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.